I built this one a while back, and I was very happy with the turnout. I actually built it to match my Neo Fighter buggy. It's a 2-wheel drive, and then I wanted a 4-wheel drive version, pretty much. So I built this one. It had an Arma motor in it with a 22-tooth pinion, but that pinion wasn't being bad. I thought I had a bad diff, and I wasn't very happy with that Arma motor. So I went ahead and got me a Holmes Hobby 15-turn reverse time motor for this one. So I've already swapped it out. So I pretty much got it ready to go with that Arma motor on it, and it had a bad 22-tooth pinion. It just wasn't meshed right, and I think there's a missing, I think a broken tooth on it too. It did 25 miles an hour. Alright. Doesn't sound good, but we're going to try it anyway. Let's see what that was. Okay, that's 25 miles an hour. So I just want to revisit this one, take it up for another speed run and go hoon it around. And then we'll also take the Neo Fighter buggy out and run it also. So let's go out there and run those, test it out, and see how well this one does now.
A few moments later.
Alright, so you can see this. Okay, 26 miles an hour. both these cars run very well. Very well. I'm very happy with these brushed motors. They both have Holmes hobbies in them. This one's got the 15 turn reverse timed, like I said earlier, and then that one has a 19 turn in it. This one's running a 22 tooth pinion, and that's running a 19 tooth pinion. This one does 26 miles an hour, and the last time I did a speed run on that one, it did 21 miles an hour. So I'm very happy with them. So I got two nice, reliable Tamiyas now, and they match too, so that makes me real happy. But anyway, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.